There's calories in, which comes from the food you eat, but today I'm going to talk about calories out, the ways your body burns energy. And I'll reveal one shocking fact. The real secret to burning more fat isn't just about exercise, it's about how much you move throughout the day. Let me explain. Your body burns calories in 4 different ways, and understanding that is the key to unlocking fat loss. So first is BMR, basal metabolic rate, which accounts for 60 to 70% of your total calories burned. Now this is the number of calories your body needs just to stay alive, to breathe, circulate blood, and keep your organs functioning. It's influenced by age, gender, genetics, and muscle mass. And here's something important. While you can't change most of these factors, you can control your muscle mass. I'll explain why that matters in just a bit. Second, NEAT, non-exercise activity thermogenesis, which makes up 15 to 30% of total calories burned. This is where the magic happens. NEAT includes all movement outside of formal exercise: walking, fidgeting, cooking, cleaning, standing while working, taking the stairs, even playing with your kids or partner. It can burn up to 1,000 extra calories per day, depending on how active you remain throughout the day. Now, most people focus on their workouts but completely ignore NEAT. That's a big mistake. Tom Rath, best-selling author of Eat, Move, Sleep, which has sold over 6 million copies, explains, sitting for more than 6 hours a day greatly increases your risk of early death. No matter how much you exercise, eat well, or avoid smoking, excess sitting will cause problems. As soon as you sit down, electric activity in your leg muscles shut off. The number of calories you burn drop to just 1 per minute. The enzyme production that helps break down fat drops by 90%. After 2 hours of sitting, your good cholesterol drops by 20%. Maybe that's why people with desk job have twice the rate of cardiovascular disease. Just kidding, don't go anywhere. All right, let's continue with this. I think I've been sitting for more than 90 minutes now, making these videos back to back. Anyways, let's continue with the video. Third, TEF, thermic effect of food, which makes up about 10% of the total calories burned. Every time you eat, your body uses energy to digest and absorb nutrients. Now, protein has the highest thermic effect. 20 to 30% of its calories are burned through digestion, while carbs burn 5 to 10% and fats just 0 to 5%. But that does not mean you should avoid eating healthy fats. Your body needs them. I've made a video about this. Be sure to check it out. Fourth, exercise, workouts, which accounts for just 5 to 10% of your total calories burned. And here's a shocker. Your gym workouts burn far fewer calories than most people think. Yes, they are essential for fitness, muscle building, and cardiovascular health, but they don't contribute as much to overall calorie burn as people assume. But here's a catch. If you strength train the right way, you unlock something called EPOC, excess post-exercise oxygen consumption. You see, when you lift weights or you do high-intensity resistance training, your body keeps burning calories even after the workout is over. It has to recover by removing lactic acid, repair muscle fibers, restoring heart rate, and more. Study shows that intense strength training can keep your metabolism elevated for up to 24 to 48 hours. And that's not all. Over time, as you build more muscles, your basal metabolic rate, BMR, increases because muscle tissue requires more energy to maintain than fat. This means you'll burn more calories at rest even while you're sitting or sleeping. So yes, strength training is a must. But here's a key takeaway. NEAT matters more than you think. Even if you lift weights, if you're sitting all day, you're missing out on hundreds of extra calories burned through daily movements. Small habits can keep you lean year around and prevent stubborn fat gain. So here's my advice. Get a fitness tracker or a smart ring and aim for at least 5,000 daily steps. If you're not hitting this, you are not active enough. Slowly build up to 7,000 steps and eventually 10,000. Do household chores, clean, cook, and move around as much as possible. Use a standing desk, be creative at work, add calf raises or stretching while standing. And here's one rule I swear by: always walk while talking on the phone. If you focus only on workouts and ignore daily movement, you are making fat loss much harder than it needs to be. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe for more content on fat loss, fitness, and optimal health. I'm Akash. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.